Discover the hottest hair trends.
La Revue.
The first category is balayage glam. What is a balayage glam?
For me, it's always about how balayage can really enhance a woman's beauty. It's that type of thing where people are asking what's different, but they can't quite figure it out.
I totally agree. A balayage for me has to be very subtle. When people think of glam, usually they will think of blondes. I think a glam balayage can be also on brunettes. And it's this subtle little change, like you've been to the sun and it came out naturally and it looks very natural. And that's why it's amazing with glam.
Okay, let's see the picture now. My favorite one is the blonde one, maybe because I am blonde myself, but I think it is very well done because there is relief. Do you agree or not?
When I look at it, I love how the dimension lives in a different place on each of the looks. So some of it is more focused around the regrowth. The look we have from Dubai, there's more of it coming from internal, and then you see the lights on the very tips. Australia and Portugal, where there's more of that vertical type of dimension. But it really does come to life and look super natural.
My favorite one is the one from Dubai because it feels more personalized to me. I love this kind of balayage because on a tight curl like this, you always have to personalize a special technique and it's really customized to your client, which I love.
Do you have a tips to do very cool balayage glam or not?
Never lie to a hairdresser because we do have a lot of clients that will lie to us.
Oh.
And we know it.
I have to admit that sometimes I lied.
Yeah, I'm sure you did.
Okay, so you know it, so I shouldn't do this anymore. Okay.
You always need to tell the hairdresser how much you want to spend. Don't be afraid of it. And the hairdresser only needs to tell you and go through with you a plan, how much you're going to spend, how you're going to take care of your hair, and make maybe a monthly plan, how many hours you're going to be at the hairdresser every month.
You want to make sure that when they come in and they tell you that they're a level 7 and they want to be a level 30, that you as a professional can really take back control and guide them into what's really going to be the best look for their lifestyle, their maintenance, their budget, all of it.
Okay, are you ready to move to the next category? Technical force. So you will have to explain me what it is.
It's about technical difficulties. There is colors that are more difficult to achieve. The way of mixing colors sometimes, when you put opposite color in the colorimetry that don't match together, if they mix, it can end up dramatic. And this is what is difficult technique for me.
I may say something completely stupid because I'm not a hair pro, but for me, the most difficult thing to do is the picture from Russia?
No.
No?
There is no challenge to me on this category. Maybe I will look into the cut of Republic Czech. That will be more challenging. The rest is pretty easy because it's quite shaggy and natural and messy, so usually this is easy to do.
I'm going to go against you, Charlie. I think Russia is going to be
interesting.
the most difficult because it's probably a lightener, so that's bleach. So there's chances you're gonna have bands to deal with. And then for sure the color's oxidized, the gloss is left, right? So there's multiple things that we're gonna have to deal with versus, I think the France, the redhead, I see some different shades of copper, which is really beautiful. And Czech Republic, that was your favorite, Charlie, right? It's the shape of the cut and the way that it plays together. Yeah. So it's taking something that's not dramatic and making it super dramatic with shape.
Next category now, avant-garde. C'est parti. Avant-garde, I guess it's about haircut, right?
I will say updos, mixing different techniques of different cultures sometimes, punk or afro and all this, and mixing them together and creating something avant-garde.
It's like in fashion. Avant-garde is something like experiencing few things.
It depends, you know what? Because I do think we think of avant-garde very differently in different countries in the world. For me, the Australian hairstyle, which is very cute if you live in Berlin, is a very normal hairstyle to have, and this is not avant-garde.
When I think about avant-garde, to me, it's about texture and shapes. I'm kind of aligned with what Charlie was saying, which is that Australia and UK to me looks a bit more street because it is wearable versus Germany and Canada, which has more of an editorial feel and there's more of an emotional connection with the photo.
It's a bit more like an art project that you will give all your love and something you will not be able to do on a client or on a person. And it will be something you will have time to do.
Want your pro look featured in La Revue? Click here to submit your look and seize the spotlight.